Welcome back, guys. Today we got a new drone. This is my new drone called the Junebug. This is set up for HD video systems. It's built to accept a wide range of video transmitters and cameras. Currently we got the Walksnail 4K Moonlight camera in here. 2-inch drone. This uses 1103 to like 1204 would probably work fine on this. I was thinking about scaling it up to 2.5, but I don't see any 2-inch drones that have this capability. So this is why I kind of built it. And it's based off my popular Jitterbug frame, which is also a 2-inch, but it's more of a stretch X. This is more of like a squish X configuration. But yeah, she flies really good. I was flying it on a more lightweight setup recently. I was just using the Walksnail 1S VTX and a nano camera, and man, it flew really good. Super locked in. That's honestly about the perfect weight for this drone. Something, you know, try to do a lightweight setup. Right now this thing is a tank, very heavy. I haven't even weighed it yet. I'll put the weight in the video here just so you know, but this VTX is a chonker. Like, look at how thick that thing is. This thing's crazy. And then you're running 2 antennas instead of 1, and then a micro camera. I decided not to put the ND filter on because it's super cloudy out today and there's no need for it. All right, so here's my voiceover. I ran out of things to talk about in that other segment that I pre-recorded. So yeah, here's me just flying around different spots. Here's a cloudy day. This was a different day. Super bright out. I did not use the ND filter. I'm a little cautious on using that because I don't know what settings to use for it. So if you know how to actually get it to look good, let me know the settings that you're using in the comments, because I could use some help on that. But yeah, overall my impressions are very good with this. I will note that without gyro flow, the footage is a little shaky. I've noticed that on other people's videos as well. But with gyro flow, I think it looks fantastic. Highly recommend using it if you're going to use this footage from this setup. But yeah, overall the 2-inch does a real good job carrying this whole setup. Surprisingly, it's a very overweight little pig, but it manages to fly halfway decent, and I'm getting some pretty good shots here, so I'm pretty happy with it overall. And you're well under 250 grams, so it's legal to fly anywhere, and you can get great footage doing it. But yeah, I'll leave you guys to watch the rest of this footage and let me know what you guys think about the new Walksnail Moonlight camera. And we'll make some more videos in the future, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.